black pepper, shrimp, carrot, brindleberry pilaf, or black pepper, shrimp, carrot, brindleberry rice bowl. One of the tastiest of the Indian recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice recipes and one of the most unique of the brindleberry recipes and one of the most delicious of the pilaf recipes and one of the most unique of the rice bowl recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the carrot recipes and one of the most different of the prawns recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes, one of the most tastiest of the pilaf recipes. Today we are going to make pepper, shrimp, carrot, 400 to 500 grams of large tiger shrimp. We have to take off the shell and clean the entire. Ingredients are 3 to 4 sprigs of curry leaves, 10 to 15 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 20 cloves of garlic cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the garlic. Salt. Put in the shallot. Salt. Add a little salt. Okay. Put in onion, salt, Chinese all mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Put in the curry leaves. Salt. Now put in a spoon of chili powder, a spoon of black pepper powder, a spoon of mix your spice, and a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Put in 2 brindleberries. Put in the carrot pieces. Put in salt to taste. Then mix. Put in the cleaned and deveined shrimp. Carrot is softened. Shrimp with the rest of the mixture. and let this mixture cook for 10 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook for 8 to 10 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the black pepper, shrimp, carrot, rice bowl is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper, shrimp, carrot, brindleberry rice bowl, or black pepper, shrimp, carrot, brindleberry pilaf. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice bowl recipes and one of the most unique of the pilaf recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the recipes for dinner. One of the most unique of the carrot recipes and one of the most different of the shrimp recipes and one of the most unique of the prawns recipes and one of the most delicious of the seafood recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.